Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ordering decimals. A good knowledge of decimal place values will enable students to order decimals without any trouble at all. Ascending order. This involves ordering the decimals from the smallest number to the biggest number. Descending order. This involves ordering the decimals from the biggest number to the smallest number. Example 1. Write the following decimals in ascending order. So ascending order means we start with the smallest number and we go to the biggest. So these are our four decimals here. Now, let's have a look at them carefully and let's see which is the smallest one. So here, that will be the first one because that's the smallest. Now, where's the second one? That one there. So that'll be in the second position. The next one will be this one. And that one will be last, because that's the biggest. So there they are here, 13, 13.03, 13.30 and 13.31. For these four here, let's see which is the smallest. So this one here is the smallest, so we put that first. This one here is next, so we put that second. This one is third, so we put that there, and that's the biggest, so we put that one there. So those two examples were ascending order, that is from smallest to the biggest. Write the following decimals in descending order. Now descending order means from the largest to the smallest. So let's have a look at those four numbers here and let's see which one is the largest. So there it is there, that's the largest. So that goes there. Now which one's next? That one's next. So that goes there. That one goes there. And that's the smallest. And that goes there. So here we have, in that order there, descending order from largest to smallest. And the last one, again in descending order. So of those four, which is the largest? That is definitely the largest, so that's there. The next one is this one, which is there. Then we have that one, which is there. And that one is the smallest, and that's there. So that is descending order from the biggest to the smallest. So this video has shown us how to order decimals, both in descending and ascending order.